In this video, we explore whether LEDs can generate electricity. When I shine a flashlight on a simple LED diode, voltage is produced. But what's the underlying reason for this phenomenon? To understand it better, let's first examine how solar panels generate electricity. Solar panels convert solar energy into electricity through a process called photovoltaics. Simply put, when sunlight hits the photovoltaic cells on the panel, electrons in the cell's semiconductor material are excited, creating an electric current. This electric current is collected by wires and used as usable electricity for electrical equipment. Solar panels are actually made up of several small cells, each of which can produce a small amount of electricity. When these cells are combined, they produce a large amount of energy. Why does an LED produce voltage when illuminated? When light shines on an LED, a process called the photovoltaic effect occurs, similar to the mechanism in solar panels. LEDs contain semiconductor materials that, when illuminated, cause electrons to move, generating an electrical current. Specifically, photons of light excite electrons in the semiconductor materials, causing them to move from one layer to another. This movement creates an electrical voltage, which can be measured in electrical circuits. Can LEDs generate electricity? Even when we shine light on high-wattage LEDs, they produce voltage. But is it possible to generate electricity using LEDs, as seen in many YouTube videos? In short, the answer is yes, it is possible. But to achieve the desired voltage and current, you need to connect many LEDs in series and parallel. Is it economically viable? My opinion is that it's not. You can create small samples for testing and enjoy the wonders of electronics, but large-scale applications aren't practical. So, if you have a bunch of useless LEDs, give this experiment a try. For more amazing videos and to support the channel, your likes and subscriptions mean a lot. So hit those buttons and stay tuned.